Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys the taillight hack, how to fix your taillight when it goes out on a 2014 to 2016 Mercedes-Benz E550, E350, E250, okay? So if you got Mercedes-Benz and your taillight looks like this and it goes out, there's a fix. Stay tuned. First things first, you want to locate the screws for the taillight. They should be up behind here at some point. So go ahead and remove these panels back here. However you get to it, I'm gonna figure it out in a minute. Remove these screws. It's like, should be about 3 screws holding the taillight in. And go ahead and remove the taillight, unplug it, and get started. I'll show you guys what's next. Here are the screws. 1, 2, and I believe 3 right there. So 1, 2, 3. All right, and that should be it. There might be a 4th one down here, that long piece that you see sticking out, but I took it off just in case. I'm not sure if it's part of the down here. I'll just go this way. There we go. I don't know if that's part of the tail light or not, but I did take that nut off this that whatever screw, whatever it's called. Now that the screws are removed, you can just push on those screws, push them in on the nut part, and the tail light will start coming out. So just go ahead and pull it out. You see it comes out from here, and there you go. Just get it all the way out. Let's see if that long one was part of it. No, it wasn't. Okay. I took out that long one for no reason. All right, here we go. Tail light out. Unplug it right there, and I'll show you what happens next. Okay, we will be opening the light in 2 different spots. One right here, and another one right up here, okay? So you can use a Dremel, that's what I'm gonna use, and go ahead and open up the light. So there's a resistor here, we got a solder, and another one up here, we got a solder. All right guys, so I went ahead and soldered it. As you guys can see, it's that blurry. Not the best work. I'm not good at that stuff, but you see it. It wasn't as thick. Come on. Can I even, let's see. Oh, I can see better there. All right, so I went ahead and soldered. You can see where the new solder's at, all those big silver balls. And I touched up over here as well on that chip right there. And that was it. So tail light, I'm gonna go ahead and seal it back up now with these pieces. And I did end up cutting one more part by mistake, but whatever, we'll figure it out. So anyway, you wanna just basically cut the top of the tail light and then the top again. So kind of the very top. Well, you guys see where it's open at. All right, simple setup, it works. I'll plug it in. I'll show you guys everything afterwards. So just go ahead and close the tail light back up however you want. Epoxy, whatever you're gonna use, some sort of glue, shut it, and go ahead and install it back on the car with the 3 screws. Put your carpet and stuff back, and make sure you test the tail light before you plug everything up, all right? Before you close everything up. All right guys, as you guys can see, let's see, let's unlock it. So that's the tail light that was always good. And this was the tail light that was out. This one on the right. See, so it's fixed, nighttime, working. So if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and like, subscribe, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.